When I think of 2020 in the office, I think of an incredible series of challenges that none of us could have anticipated, none of us could have planned for, and never could have even fathomed that this would happen this year. I think about an office full of employees who has set aside personal safety to come to work, to represent this community, and to try to continue to hold offenders accountable during this pandemic. Think about the incredible supervisors that I have in the office who have bent over backwards to make sure that we have a properly staffed office and have continued to be the pride of this community. The biggest accomplishments we've had this year are continuing to hold offenders accountable. We have continued to resolve cases in a very fair manner. We have continued to provide the highest level of service to the community on the most significant cases that we have in the criminal justice system. But at the same time, we've still found ways to give back to the community. I think as we look forward to 2021, the biggest hope that we all have is to get back to some sense of normalcy, to get back to being able to have the employees in the office, to develop the relationships that we have in the office and outside the office with the professionals, law enforcement, and otherwise that we work with, and really getting back to a sense of normal work operations, a sense of normalcy in trying cases, in representing this community, and trying to get justice for victims.